Hey y'all, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel.
He want me to hit him first. That'll happen when he in a hearse. Hey, I drop a pic on the gram. Ay, now he come with the thirst. Click, click, pose.
Hey y'all, it's me back again. Okay, yes, we're back again. Today's video is sponsored by YooWigs, and this is the wig that I installed today. As you see by the title, yes, it is glueless, baby. So you can see how I did this wig with no glue, nothing, literally hairspray, got to be spray, and that's it. And I love it, y'all, because I know that when I take this off, it's no mess on my hair, like it's no sticky, like no. This literally took 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes to install, and I just love it. Like it's quick, really fast, not messy, because glue can really hold down on your edges and wigs, period. But let's get into the video. So to start this install, I'm just gonna have a cap on, and I already put my makeup on there. I'm so mad, y'all. I deleted this whole clip explaining everything I did before I started spraying. But you basically just want to get your hairspray. I'm using the Got To Be Insta Hold spray. This spray I recommend 1,000 times, way better than the yellow spray. And I'm just going to spray my perimeter of my hair. Okay, so after you let that kind of dry, ooh, y'all, I kind of let it dry too much. Sorry, I had to actually kind of spray some more because I let it dry too quickly. But once it is tacky, then it's ready to be laid down. So like this, like, yeah, that's ready to be laid down. But I'm gonna spray again because I actually let it dry too quick. This, when it says this, y'all, this is fast drying, okay? Because this don't play no games. It's already dry. But I'm about to go wet this a little bit, get this a little bit wet and curly, and then I'll be right back to y'all and let this sit. Okay, y'all, so yep, it's ready. I did wet it a little bit, but I'm gonna wet it more once I put it on. All right, y'all, so now here's the voiceover. But okay, so I'm gonna take y'all through this whole process. This is really, again, simple and easy, but as y'all can see right here, I am going to start putting on the wig. So literally, you want to spray, and then after it gets tacky, put it on the wig. My problem was that I think I waited too long, and I kept having to spray over and over again to get the spray back tacky, because this spray, y'all, literally glues fast, like no joke, like fast. So I think that was my issue. I had to keep kind of spraying, and also it was a little difficult with trying to cut the lace, because if y'all seen my other install videos, I usually do the square method, like where I cut the lace into like a few squares, put glue and glue that down. So if I would, when I try this again, I would kind of cut the lace in squares already and just glue a little bit at a time, just because the wig kind of had a little, like, little ruffle things. Like, it was kind of like, as y'all can see, like the lace wasn't flat, it had like little ruffles in them. I can't really explain it, but and as y'all can see here, I tried to do the little squares thing. But that would be my little tip. Just follow the squares method and cut and lay as you go. But as you can see, I had to keep spraying to get the glue back tacky. I mean, the spray to get back tacky. It's not glue, y'all. But yeah, that's basically what I did. I just let the spray get tacky, and then I laid the lace down and kind of got it as smooth as I could. But again, if I did this a second time, I already know what I have to fix. After that, I didn't cut that piece of lace off, because I wanted to let it sit for a little bit and get you know, dry. So I'm going to start laying my hair, pressing it back. And really, y'all, I did not know how to do this. I didn't know how I was going to do it. So I just took some mousse, put some mousse in there, sprayed the hair with it to get it like molded. I didn't know what to use, but yeah, you play around with it, you figure out what you like. Some people use some people use eco styling, and that kind of gets the curl to stay. Again, I didn't know, y'all, so I just used some mousse. The mousse worked good though. The mousse worked. I brushed my hair back, and yeah, so onto the edges. This is another thing that you play around with. A lot of people don't know how to push the edges or have natural looking edges, but it all depends on the lace. So if you have good lace, and even if you don't have good lace, y'all, you literally can play around with your edges. Like, just cut out some pieces, see how you like it. I played around with the edges a lot because I didn't know which way to go. I didn't know how much I wanted. I didn't want it to look too hard or too fake, you know what I mean? So you can really play around with this. Play around with the edges, cut a little bit at a time. Do not cut a lot of hair out. And, you know, just play around with it. It's the way that you want it to be and you like it. But one thing that I didn't want to do with my edges is make it too harsh. Like, I wanted to make it a little fluffy, a little soft, and natural. And after that, y'all, this is pretty much it. I just styled it, like I said, used my mousse and my spray, and I just got it wet. I wet it a little bit more, and then after that, y'all, that was pretty much the end of the install. Really quick, really fast. Played around with my edges a little bit more, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the ending look. I love this sleek look. This is something new, and I never do this. Like, I literally never had this style. Classy and baddie at the same time. Even the curl, like, it's just such a pretty curl. So I love it. I love it, y'all, and I love the edges too. I kind of messed up on this side, so, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The edges, the lace, like, getting detail. For this to be glueless, cool. Like, I know, I literally did not pluck one thing. It came pre-plucked, came pre-bleached, and it had a middle part with it as well. But I don't actually mind the middle part because it kind of gives it a part, but it's just like slicked back in the middle. So I don't mind the middle part. I'm actually glad that it came plucked with the middle part. It's honestly this side for me. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So cute, so bomb. It's really the edges for me. It's slick back. It's everything for me. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out YooWigs. Here we are. Go check it out. See what you like. And they're also having a Black Friday sale. So make sure you check out the website, see the sales and the deals that you can get off of some wigs or bundles. Huh? Oh, okay. Anyway, y'all, I'm bored. Hope you guys like this glueless install. This is a little bit different, and it is a little bit different from any of my installs because I usually do use like glue. And this, honey, like, it's crispy tight. Well, not crispy tight, but you know, I know this video was all over the place, y'all, so sorry about that. But I did a little voiceover and popped in a little bit, so hopefully you guys learned a little bit of something and seen how you could get a glueless wig without applying glue that's like really just messy and yucky on your hair and your hairline. And this was very simple, very easy, really quick. It actually didn't take no time. Like, if you enjoyed it, let me know. And if you like this hair, poo, I'm giving it, let me know that. Hopefully these wig videos are not getting boring to y'all. Let me know that as well, because I will chill out for them a minute. I kind of want to get some more content out there, more fun daily lifestyle lit content, so you know, you don't always want to see me freaking glue a wig down. But anyway, y'all, I'm talking too much, so that's it. Make sure you check out YooWigs, and the hair details and everything will be in the description box down below. So yeah, you guys can check that out. Follow all my social medias as well: Instagram, Snap, and Twitter. That's where I'm at like 95% of the time. You'll see me there. But make sure you follow me, and make sure you follow my business page as well, because like I said, I'm having a Black Friday sale, and you get 30% off of all items on the site. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna head out, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.